Hi, everyone. It's good to see you. I am using an application called Screencastify right now, and I'm going to show you how to install another screencasting application called Screencast-o-Matic, and then I'm going to use Screencast-o-Matic to show you how to install Screencastify, and you can use either. They're both wonderful tools for recording your screen and having a webcam image as well. Before we get started, I just want to make a point that I've got my laptop on a box. So I'm actually looking directly at the webcam as opposed to if my laptop was down here where it normally is, which would give you this kind of a view, which is not the most ideal view. So I'm actually using a box to give my laptop sort of like eye level height. I'm also in a room with a lot of window light. I don't have too much going on in the background. These things are really important. I'm also using my headset that has a microphone in it, which makes the sound a little bit more clear. Okay, so let's get started. Before we dive into using Screencast-o-Matic, I want to show you some of the tools that Screencastify provides. Over here in the bottom left is a little menu, which you should be able to see. This menu allows me to do a couple of things. I can use the highlighter tool. I can use the pen tool. I can use the spotlight tool, which creates a spotlight over wherever I hover the mouse. Other options for the cursor are for it to disappear when I'm not moving. So you can see it right now, but then I stop moving and it disappears. And here it is again. Just regular. This is the mode, it says highlight clicks, and this mode will highlight so that you can see specific things that I may want to highlight. I also have the webcam embedded, that's down here. Hi. If I deselect that, you will not see me. Voila. And then I'm back. And so you can choose to either have just your screen or the screen and the webcam at the bottom, which is nice sometimes for students because it gives it a touch of personalization. Okay, so those are all the tools. And then you can also pause the recording and then hit resume. And you can also hide this menu down here. So those are tools within Screencastify, which is what I'm using right now to show you Screencast-o-Matic, another program. So you'll see here that we're going to get started. We're going to set up an account. It says sign up, it's free. So I'm going to click up there, sign up, and we're going to walk through the sign up process. I'm going to use my Gmail account. I can actually sign in with Google right there, so I don't even need to type anything. I'm going to choose my Gmail account. Got it. Setting up my profile, using my first and last name, agreeing to the terms of service. Okay, there we go. All right, so the first thing I need to do is I need to download the recorder. So I'm going to click Launch Recorder, and it's going to download the recorder. You can see it says download started. It's going to download to wherever I save my downloads to, which for me, for this purpose, is my desktop. So here is the disk image. I open that. I double click on the recorder launcher. Say open. And it says that it's ready. Great. Okay. Hi guys. So my daughter woke up from her nap while I was recording. So now fast forward about 5 hours later. It's now the evening. And so I'm back to the Screencast-o-Matic tutorial, and I'm going to show you just quickly how to capture video with Screencast-o-Matic. So it's installed. I've got the recorder installed and all that. I'm back on the website, and all I'm going to do is click this little video icon up here, and it's going to launch the recorder, and you'll see it says it's going to capture anything in this frame. I just want to capture the screen. I'm not going to do webcam or both right now, just capturing what's in the screen. It's going to let me record for 15 minutes. That's the maximum time I can record with the free account. And there's other options here if you go to preferences, other things that you can control. You can sort through that, but not necessary to change any of that right now. So back to recording. All you have to do is hit this record button, and it's going to count down, and there you go. And it's capturing whatever is in this frame. So let's say I wanted to, show students how to create a slideshow in Google Slides. I can show them that by, going through all of this in whatever window I have up. So pretty easy. And then to stop, I just hit pause. And then to save it, I hit done. And a couple different options. You can do save and upload. You can edit if you have a paid account. And you can do a quick share through your account if you are ready to share it right away. I'm going to select save and upload. And here's the video that I just captured. As you can see, there it is. And what do I want to do with it? I could upload it to YouTube. I could upload it to Screencast-o-Matic, or I could save it as a video file. For now, I'm just going to save it as a video file. And it's going to ask me where. Let's just choose my desktop for now. I'm going to hit MP4, which is a good file type. It's pretty universal. I could name it Screencast. And you can change the cursor to either be a highlight or to have no cursor. I'm going to have a highlight cursor because I like that. And I'm going to hit publish, which basically means save. Okay, done. Now let's see if it's on the desktop. It is. And we can double click that, and there it is. There's the video. And there you go. It's capturing whatever is in this frame. All right, now I could upload that to YouTube. I could drop it into Google Drive and share it with my students. I have lots of different options. It's a really easy MP4 file. I can share it a number of different ways. Okay, so that is Screencast-o-Matic. So this is part 2 of our screencasting tutorial. I am now using Screencast-o-Matic to show you Screencastify. This is another great app for using your webcam and for capturing your screen to create tutorials and demos. The free account only allows you to record 5 minutes at a time. And so it's really up to you if you want to use Screencast-o-Matic or Screencastify. They're both great. Their free accounts are okay. They have some limited options. The paid accounts are amazing. Some districts are paying for these things for their teachers, but using the free account is fine. And we're just going to do a quick overview of that now. So I've already installed it. and I went to Screencastify.com, I clicked install, I set up an account, it was very easy. And then what it did was it installed it here in my browser. So now it's just like a plugin in my browser that I can click on whenever I want to record my screen. I can choose webcam, I can choose desktop, I can choose browser, I can embed the webcam in the screen as well. For right now, I'm going to choose desktop, and I'm going to hit record, and it's going to ask me if I want to do the whole desktop or just the application window. That is fine for now. Counting down, recording. So once again, it's recording whatever is on my screen, and I can, turn the mouse into a spotlight if I want. I can deselect that as well. And yeah, it's just recording whatever I do. When I want it to stop, I go back to this menu and I hit stop, but I can also hit pause and then I can resume. But for right now, I just want to stop. And it's loading up a dashboard where I can see the video that I just made. And I can, turn the mouse into a spotlight. Okay. So that's the video that we just created with Screencastify. I can name it up here. And I can do a bunch of different things with it. I can share it to it'll automatically save to my Google Drive, but I can also get a shareable link. And it copied it, and I'm going to paste it into my browser, and there it is. I can share that link with my students. I can also publish it right to YouTube. I can get an embed code, or I could download it to my computer and save it. Many, many different options. It's a really great tool, and it makes capturing your screen and capturing tutorials super easy. Okay, so either option, Screencastify or Screencast-o-Matic, they're both great and super easy to use.